Renowned architect Frank Lloyd Wright described a house as a machine for living. This quote speaks to the way homes should not only be beautiful, but also functional and in harmony with their environment. Today, we'll not only give you a look at the home's design and architectural elements, but we'll also share how the layout and materials were carefully chosen to create a warm, functional, and inviting space. We are so excited to walk you through this space, where we've blended rustic charm and contemporary flair.
My name is Andries Oelofse. Our company is Polokwane Plants.
I'm Claudine Meyeren, and we are the daddy-daughter duo.
The architectural style of this farmhouse cottage captures the essence of rural life while embracing the modern touches. As you approach the property, you hear the sounds of a tranquil pond, adding a sense of peace and calm, inviting you into this serene environment.
The idea of the house on the plot was to get a farmhouse kind of feel. As you can see, it's a pitch-roofed house with a lean-to structure on the stoops.
The earthy colors used on the exterior pay homage to the surrounding landscape, ensuring that this home feels like it's been part of the natural world for years. One of the most charming aspects of this farm-style house is the entryway into the home, or in this case, the lack of one. The appeal of this cottage lies in its seamless transition from outdoors to indoors. You enter through a large, inviting patio designed for both hosting and relaxing. The standout feature here is the striking balustrade design, made up of sleek, round tubes that create a sense of openness while still defining the space. The built-in barbecue area, complete with storage and simple, elegant joinery, not only enhances the functionality, but also draws your eye upwards to the exposed beams, stained in a natural oak finish. This rustic touch connects the interior to the surrounding flora. Custom-made double doors with large handles that match the balustrading add another refined element. When you open them, you step into a stunning transformation from rustic charm to contemporary elegance.
The idea behind this house was to do something small but still spacious, and she wanted to live to the outside. So from every angle of the house, you would be able to see what's happening outside. So she would see her animals, her birds, her donkeys, her rabbits, her tortoises, everything. So that was the main idea. Small, compact, but still big and spacious.
Upon entering, you'll immediately feel the warmth of the open plan space, seamlessly blending the living room and kitchen. A large steel chandelier anchors the space, offering functional lighting while hanging from the exposed roof trusses, stained to match the doors. This creates an earthy yet modern vibe in the room. A handmade, built-in TV wall stretches the length of the living room, complete with downlights that provide ambient lighting, and a fireplace that adds to the unique design. The kitchen space is where we truly had fun playing around and blending different colors and different materials. The dominant color is a muted brown known as Congo, which covers most of the wall-mounted units in Scullery. Complementing this, the Coimbra pattern adds natural warmth and mirrors the wood stain of the beams and doors. We used the white marble look coat stone for the countertop, with gold streaks to elevate the space. Every detail, from the spice racks to the integrated extractor fan, clad in a unique finish, has been carefully considered for both beauty and function. Another large steel fixture brings balance to the entire open plan area. Stepping into the scullery, you'll find it's a functional extension of the kitchen, offering a separate space to handle tasks that are best kept out of sight. The color scheme mirrors that of the kitchen, with a black sink and faucet, pairing beautifully with the black handles and fittings throughout the home. This modern aesthetic provides a subtle contrast to the rest of the design, preventing the home from feeling flat or too pale. Adjacent to the scullery, you'll find a pantry with open shelving for easy access, a small storeroom, and a single car garage. Just off of the living room, we have a specially curated powder room. The warm lighting continues in this space with the 3-piece light illuminating the room. The lighting accentuates the hexagon-shaped wall tiles with bright streaks that add texture and interest. These tiles provide the perfect backdrop for the natural wood look cabinet, which holds a round, textured basin paired with a sleek black faucet. This small but thoughtful space exudes warmth and functionality. As we move to the back of the house, we enter the main bedroom, which is a perfect balance of cozy and elegant. A steel chandelier, similar to those in the living areas, anchors the room and adds a soft, inviting glow. This space leads into the bathroom and a spacious dressing room. The built-in cupboards are designed with a shaker style, adding a classic touch. The centerpiece of the bathroom is a large, freestanding bathtub placed beneath a large window that floods the space with natural light. The wood-look tile backsplash running along the wall creates a soothing, spa-like atmosphere. A walk-in shower is enclosed with a sleek, fluted glass panel, featuring a black frame design that matches the black shower head and fixtures. The shower also includes a shampoo niche and a mosaic-clad bench and floor for added luxury. On the opposite side, a hidden cistern water closet is also enclosed in a fluted glass panel. Completing the space is a 2-piece floating vanity, where the elegant basin and black faucet provide a stylish finishing touch.
Yeah, the client insisted on having big stoops, as you can see in the front, with a braai area where she's gonna put a dining room set and nice lounge sitting area. And then on the bedroom side, also a stoop where she can see her animals in the afternoon, especially the donkeys. She's a big donkey fan.
At night, the soft glow of the lights highlights the textures of the home's materials, while creating a warm, welcoming ambiance.
I used to work for the company since 1985. I started the company on the sideline since 1990, doing my own stuff in the evenings. My company grew so big that I decided to go on my own. First, my wife worked for me for a few years, and then the grandchildren came, and I decided to bring in my daughter. She's now qualified draftsman, upgrading this year, which I'm very proud of. And yeah, she must take the company to the next level.
People can find us on the internet. It's www.polokwaneplans.co.za, or on TikTok or on Facebook. So everything is Polokwane Plans Architecture. You can find us on those platforms.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of this beautiful farmhouse cottage. We hope you found inspiration in the design and details that make this home truly special. A big thanks to Fauve Atelier for the incredible work on the interior design, and Mokonyane Property Group for their construction of this home. If you are looking for talented interior designers or skilled builders, please reach out. We're here to make your dream home a reality. Until next time, take care and happy home dreaming.